Yeah, that's
That was
so you
nice
know.
one.
And the mom was just like, but let's make it trip here. Okay, it's fine. Go again. See you
The
the
white man.
one of the ones. Yo, CPT Underworld. Welcome back to the Lyric Lounge. It's your boy Oasis, and you best believe we're gonna kill another episode today. I got my boy Feedback all the way from Gudud. You saying Gudud, Elsie's?
Good.
In Gudud, Reitevach. So I'm gonna pick his brain now. We're gonna just figure out like what makes him tick. So Feedback, bro, the name. Hey, that is the first thing. Like I know you like giving feedback in your music, but
Yeah.
Feedback, where did that come from?
It's a funny story though.
I'm listening.
It's a funny story. I used to watch Pentium, bro.
Okay.
So there's this alien called Feedback, man.
Oh.
So he used to like,
Okay.
so this other episode I was watching, it was facing this other alien called Malware. So he shot like bolts of lightning and then he just like regenerated that energy and then gave it back. So it was like getting negative energy and giving it back positive. And then,
Feedback. That's actually a dope ass name, bro. And you got it from cartoons. Yeah, of all places you can get your name. This nigga goes to get it from
very
cartoons.
bro.
Nah, it's dope, bro. A lot of people get inspiration from cartoons and it's my cat man, bro. So, how long have you been in the music game?
Okay, in the music, making music, been a couple of months, like 6 months.
6 months.
Started last year,
It's fresh.
working on my first EP called Sweatshirt last year in December. That's when I started making music, like really making music,
Really
get it
making
out.
music. And where did you start recording? Like home studios? Did you like get a label? No? How did you start
Home
recording?
studio. By this other guy called Khamenati, is my producer. He produces the beat and then,
Khamenati, it sounds familiar. Then he live in rugby somewhere.
yeah, in rugby.
Isn't he a big white dude?
Nah,
It's not. Oh, it's not that person.
it's a colored dude.
And it's a colored dude. I know there was someone that raps with that same brand, or there was a tape that dropped Khamenati. I don't know.
Yeah,
I
Yeah.
heard that tape. That is a dope ass tape. Khamenati. If you're producing with this nigga, alright, that's dope, bro. It's dope, bro. So like in Cape Town, what do you think of the industry now?
it's okay. It's actually vibrant.
It's vibrant.
I've checked some of the music, yeah. It's actually vibrant. I like the vibe and stuff.
Don't you think it's saturated in Cape Town?
Yeah, but for me it's a bit like saturated. Just
A tad. You say it's like a tad. I would like. Youngster is making waves, opening the gates, showing us that we can do it since they're from Cape Town. But I do believe like the people of Cape Town is still not unifying enough to support the actual people from Cape Town. That's also still here, man. They're looking at one image and taking it. Understand? What I mean? Like youngsters, they want to keep that
true,
image.
True.
So they need to broaden out the image. That's what I think they need to do. So now, how would you help as an artist now to broaden people's like horizon to how we can change Cape Town and make them actually move forward that way?
I'd say having like shows like this, bro. Just pushing the artists around in Cape Town and then just getting out there. Go beyond like radio stations, go on like FMs and stuff like that.
Bro, you heard it for yourself. Lyric Lounge is helping people. Bro.
And I'm actually proud to be on this, bro.
That's easy, bro. That's dope, bro. We're looking for all the artists that are looking to get here, bro. If you need a platform, we're here, you know. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Those are the things you need to do. Our pages will have our emails and everything, so you can contact us if you want to be on the show. But for my boy now, Feedback, we're going to give you a performance slot soon, bro. And you can perform like a track of you did, like your recent EP you said.
Okay.
But before we do that, can you just tell us where we can find you? Instagram, you know,
You can
handles.
find me on Instagram. My name on Instagram is LeSway. That's Le_Sway. And then on SoundCloud, it's Feedback. And then on Facebook, it's Feedback_CPT. And then on Twitter, it's LeSway. Same as like on IG, Le_Sway.
Le_Sway. Best believe you got it. I'm gonna make sure it's gonna be there somewhere. So now we're gonna let him perform a track. You know, every week a nigga performs a track. It's fire. So I'm gonna give you that slot Feedback. Let's do this. It's your boy Oasis. And we out.
Chick, swipe, straight from rugby, do the yogi, chick, Let them sneeze, don't you bless them. Chasing for that cheese, but you act like you lactose intolerant. Nigga, fuck the pessimistic, block it out if you tryna get it. I'm not there yet, I'm mimosa on the road tryna get it. I watch my turns, I don't wanna reach, don't fucking get it. We cool, we blended, but I'm not out here tryna blend in. They blended, they the same, they just fake, man, they plastic. I see through your blood suckers, man, they drag you, look. I play my cards right, I keep an ace on my sleeve. I count all these jokers, hocus pocus. I'm doing magic, it's tragic, you Harry and I'm Dumbledore. Keep your thoughts to yourself, you can't cloud up my judgment. I see through the darkness, I've been in the rainbow, I see bright all day. So don't you I'm still looking for that cash, you cop that sweatshirt, tryna get some bread, but all we get is crumbs. They look at us like we scum, but my eardrums is drumming. All these beats that I pound, my sound is so astounding. They gon' hate you so they think you great, so I don't listen to y'all. I just too old to be looking for some cash, you cop that sweatshirt, tryna get some bread. Look, don't you come up to me, you take it the wrong way. Don't think I forget, you just a cold case. Line you up with the wrist, then I just close the case. Real love, I don't need deposits. You won't need you, let me check my pockets. You know the question rhetorical. Nigga, I blow my own pipe for the pain and the pressure. If you hate it, I hope you good about it, cause I hate niggas who conversate. Tell me better keep it straight till the end, no sideways. Gotta live it to my way or the highway. Wake up and smell the coffee, man, I'm wide awake. Man, I smell this, haters from a mile away. My brother told me you done made your own shit. You started get don't quit, real talk. Been with my niggas since day one. Been with you niggas since day now. I come up in niggas with fade, cause I been calling all the shots when I'm eliminating all the competition. Bitches calling, man, I gotta get it. Ring, click, pick it up, pay no mind if you talking business. And I look at the competition, man, it's all in it. Getting fucked, you feel offended. Got the shine, fucking cold ways. Say real, but the two-face. Bro, I'm still looking for that cash, you cop that sweatshirt, tryna get some bread, but all we get is crumbs. They look at us like we scum, but my eardrums is drumming. All these beats that I pound, my sound is so astounding. They gon' hate you so they think you great, so I don't listen to y'all. I just too old to be looking for some cash, you cop that sweatshirt, tryna get some bread.